Okay, so I wanted to show y'all how you can use y equals, and this can help you whenever you take your quiz on Thursday. Go ahead and clear your calculator. So second plus 712 is the best thing you can always do if you get stuck or something's messed up about it or you don't know what it's doing. Second plus 712. Okay, I'll just go ahead and clear that. Now, y equals is up here like the very top left button. Go ahead and punch that. Now, all of these equations that we have start with y equals, so that's why we're using this button. Now I can type in this fraction. 2 divided by 3 is the same thing as 2/3. Whenever you type in the variable x, you have to use this one that's right under the mode key. Okay, so this was a short equation. We only typed in the part behind the equals because y and equals was already in there. Okay, now over here the very top right button, it says graph. So whenever we hit graph, we'll check to see if it matches this line, because we said this line was that equation. So let's see if it looks right. Hit graph and you'll watch it draw it. So notice that the slope looks very similar and that it's also going through the origin, so it matches so far. We can also make sure that these ordered pairs are in there for this line. So see tables in blue. So hit second table. Okay, so I should be able to see the point 3, 2, and 6, 4. So notice there is 3, 2, and there is 6, 4. So that lets me know that I used those points, I drew my graph correctly, and I wrote the equation correctly. Let's graph another one. So I just hit y equals, clear the one that was there by just hitting the clear button. So let's do one that looks like this, the second one right here. Okay, so in y equals, I'm typing the part behind the equal sign. 3, use the x that is under the mode, plus 2. So I want it to look like this second graph. So this one will not be going through the origin whenever you hit graph. Go ahead and punch it, watch it draw it. This one was steeper than the last one because 3 is greater than 2/3, and I can hit second graph to get to the table if I wanted to make sure these points were there. So 0, 2 is the first one that it popped up on, and then if I wanted to see -1, I have to arrow up, and it does match with this one that we had. So keep that in mind that you can use your graphing calculator to go to y equals and type in equations so you can access the graph, and second graph will get you to the table where the ordered pairs are.